Hey guys, thanks for watching TFB TV. Today what I have for you is 3 different types of match grade rifle ammunition. We're going to be firing through this Daniel Defense DD5V2. This is a 308. We're going to measure the velocity through the chronograph. We're going to get standard deviation and extreme spread and measure our groups down at 100 yards. We may stretch it out a little bit if we can get some good groups out of this ammo. Stay tuned to find out. We're going to go ahead and put our first ammo through this here today. This is going to be the Federal Premium 168 grain. This is the Sierra Match King. All right, let's see what we get for our first group here. I'm going to shoot at the very bottom center circle. All right, well, we got a group down there. It's not a good one. I may try that one again, especially seeing how the standard deviation is 8.3 with the extreme spread of 22 feet per second. This should be shooting better than that down there, especially out of this rifle. So I'm chalking that up to me. I'm going to shoot that again. Same bottom dot. I'm actually going to shoot a little under it. All right, I pulled that last one. We've got 2 shots down there that are basically touching, and then I pulled the last one. I'm calling that a flyer, definitely. So I think we've got a decent group. And next here we're going to try, what is this? This is the Hornet Superformance match. It's 308, obviously, 168 grain ELD match. They're claiming a 2840 feet per second muzzle velocity, so that would be screaming for a 308. All right, I'm going for the dot on the right side, lower. And I pulled that last one. I think it went off to the right. Yep, high and right on that last one. But the 4-shot group down there is looking pretty decent. Go ahead and count that one. Let's see what we got here. 6.5 standard deviation with an extreme spread of 16. Running at 2,687 feet per second. That's the Hornet Superformance match. And for our third and final test ammo today, we've got the Fiocchi Exacta match rifle ammunition. This is running the Sierra Match King 168 grain. Okay, now on this one I'm going to shoot the top right dot. Got another group down there. Let's see what the lab radar says. Fiocchi Exacta running at 2553 feet per second, standard deviation of 9 with an extreme spread of 22. Still not bad. That's right on par with the Federal Gold Medal match. Let's head down range and see what we've got for groups on paper. I'm not sure what I was doing with the Federal Gold Medal match ammunition. As I said, I started out here with this big old, 2-inch, 2.5-inch group at 100 yards. And 2-inch group out of a gas gun at 100 yards is not honestly all that bad with factory ammunition, except that Daniel Defense rifle will shoot way better than this. So I was chalking this up to me right here, and I reshot this one. I had a flyer, which I called, and we ended up with a 1/4-inch 2-shot group, which we're not counting. Moved on to the Hornet and the Fiocchi. And then we came back with the Federal Gold Medal match once again up to here, and I go and I shoot another 2-inch group. And I was not sure exactly what I was doing there. I did realize at the last minute that my upper body was not resting on the shooting bench. So I was getting quite a bit of wobble in my upper body. Even though I felt like I was breaking good shots, I thought that might be the case. So I made sure to brace my body up against the bench a little better. And we come down here and shoot this group. We've got 3/4, 3/4. So either one, between here and here or here and here, we've got a 3/4-inch group with the Federal Gold Medal match. Not bad for a gas gun. Daniel Defense makes top quality weapon systems, and so I'm really not surprised to see sub-MOA accuracy out of a gas gun from them. Guys, thanks for watching today. Let me take a minute to thank our sponsor, Ventura Munitions. They make this shooting all possible. Thank you guys. Hey, stay tuned for more great videos from the firearm blog. We've got a lot more coming up on precision rifles and ammunition, gas guns and bolt guns. Lots of long-range stuff coming. Stay tuned.